For the first time ever, Google is opening the doors to its AI-powered video editor, Google Vids, making it available to all users, not just Workspace or AI Premium subscribers. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back. While this free-based version doesn't pack the full AI punch, it still offers a solid toolkit for quick and polished video creation. Originally launched to help users to make professional presentations without hours of editing, Google Vids comes loaded with templates, stock media, and suggested storyboarding tools. Think of it as slides meets a video studio with AI gently taking you along the way. What makes it better? AI avatars. The tool includes 12 pre-made digital presenters that can swap looks and voices. Just type your script and the avatar does the talking. No camera, no actors, no stress, which is great for product promotions. However, some of the more advanced things, like creating your own custom AI avatar, which is already on Zoom by the way, are locked behind the premium paywall. And there's no word yet if Google's gonna add it to free services or not. Still, there's plenty to play with. A new option lets users create short 8-second videos from specific images, perfect for product promos or quick social clips. Another feature will automatically trim out the long pauses and silent spaces without hassle. Google says this is all about saving time and cost. Google's director said a 10-minute long clip with real actors can take up to 6 months and cost thousands of dollars. With Vids, businesses can produce training videos, product demos, and support content much faster. What's your stance on this? Will this feature come in handy? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.